Mailblaze offers two main pricing structures, month-to-month plans and pay-as-you-go plans. Here's a breakdown to help you choose the best option for beginners. Month-to-month plans are ideal if you have a consistent number of contacts and plan on sending emails regularly. They offer a set amount of features based on the number of contacts you have. Ember is a good starter plan for very small businesses or individuals just starting out with email marketing. It includes basic features like email creation, sending, and tracking. Flame is suitable for businesses with a growing email list. It includes all the features of Ember, plus advanced analytics and reporting to help you understand your audience better. Fire is the most robust plan, designed for larger businesses and professionals. It includes all the features of Flame, plus landing page creation, segmentation, and automation tools. Pay-as-you-go plans is a good fit if you have a fluctuating number of contacts or are unsure about your email marketing needs. You purchase credits based on the number of emails you want to send. The per email cost decreases as you buy more credits. Since you're a beginner, it's best to start with the free 14-day trial that Mailblaze offers. This allows you to explore the platform, test out its features, and see if it fits your needs. During the trial, you can try creating email campaigns, managing your contacts, and see if the interface is easy to use. By experimenting with the free trial, you'll get a better understanding of which plan and feature set would be most beneficial for you in the long run. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try Mailblaze for free.